What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be flying the S168. Looks familiar? That's because it is. Check it out. If you live in Florida, you know how fast it starts to rain, even if it's sunny outside. So I had to come inside and we finished this review. So this is one of my favorite drones, only because it's very small and I love the landing. The other ones that I have are, especially this one, which I haven't like given a review about it because it's my least favorite drone. Um, it takes a while to hover this like or maneuver it better. But this baby right here, this baby has a massive amount of power, and the battery in it, like above all, look at this battery. This is a big battery, and it lasts a while, like, compared to the other ones, because the other ones have a very small battery, and this one has a really good battery. All you have to do is just turn this on. This is a collapsible drone, and that I love collapsible drones. Like, you could fit it anywhere in your backpack, anything. Another thing I like about this drone, it also comes with an app. Like, if you don't have an SD card to put it in there, you could just uh, attach the app attach your phone on the remote control, and then right here, I mean, this one's on the bottom. You attach it on the bottom, and then you start recording it. You start recording it to your phone, and you can see anything from it. I mean, you check out the little small video that I have while I was outside before it started raining. I was wearing my jacket. Really, like, even the remote control is a very nice little. It's sleek and perfect for like anywhere. The other ones are like big and huge. I mean, you're gonna see the little bigger ones that I have, but even the big ones that I have don't really have like big remote controls. But and this is actually cheap. Like, this is a very cheap drone for like $75. I mean, it might not be cheap for you. I mean, it wasn't, but compared to other drones, that's pretty cheap. Um, and one of my favorite like attribute about this drone, it's the one button to levitate, and then the one button down to just land. That's really cool. Like, the other ones, like the skyrocket that I have, or this one, the red that I have, you literally have to land it yourself, and that takes like, if you don't know how to fly a drone, that's gonna take some practice. Um, but this baby right here, when you're done, you just press the button down to land. You press the button up, you press the up button to start levitating. That's really cool about it. You could find, I bought this drone on Amazon because I like buying things from Amazon. So let me know what you think. Hey, if you like a channel that blends technology, fitness, gaming, prizes at the same time, this is the best place for you to be. So make sure you click the like button and subscribe to this channel because you're not gonna miss it, because we have a lot of things we uploading every single week and throughout the whole year. And this is a game truck down in South Florida, so don't miss it. All right.